Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a spacious and comfortable Hyundai Sonata, the midsize sedan that prioritizes a smooth ride, connected infotainment, and passenger safety. With ample cargo space, standard driver assistance, and standout style, this family-friendly four-door is ready to take you places. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights. Get the modern style and connectivity you crave together with the space and comfort of a family sedan in this striking Sonata. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.